Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In order to fight terrorism and for carrying out major operations in Jammu and Kashmir and near the China border, the Indian Army is taking all possible steps to induct various guns and weapons to counter any threats near these borders. We know that Indian Army has already received a couple of variant guns and also plans to procure few more in future. To be more specific, the guns which are and which is going to be procured by Indian Army are the SIG 716I assault rifle, which is being manufactured by SIG SOR USA, the AK-203 assault rifles, which are going to be produced in joint venture between India and Russia. The third category of guns are from the Israel Weapon Industries, which is Negev NG7 light machine gun. So that was a quick recap or a revisit of various guns, assault rifles and machine guns which Indian Army has and planning to procure. As per the recent update from the defense side, it looks like there is a new member in this list and it's the ASMI submachine gun, which was designed and developed by the Indian Army's Defense Research and Development Organization. To be more specific, DRDO will be developing 25 pre-production models of ASMI submachine gun, which would be used by Indian Army for user trials in upcoming months. Looks like the intention behind coming up with these user trials is to replace the 9mm pistols in the defense forces. As we have seen all required vital information about the SIG 716I, the AK-203 and the Negev NG7 guns, we will concentrate on the details of the ASMI guns in this particular video. The most important thing is about the cartridge which is being used by these guns. These ASMI submachine guns are designed to use 9x19mm cartridges which are already in use by the Indian Army. This gives it a major logistical advantage over the modern submachine carbine since for them the cartridges are purposely built. The ASMI guns has an 8-inch or 200mm barrel and it weighs around 2 kilograms when unloaded and 3 kilograms when it is loaded. The effective range of firing is 100 meters. These guns are made with aluminum and carbon fiber materials. The upper receiver is made from aluminum and the lower receiver is made using carbon fiber material. These types of submachine gun are mainly used for close quarters combat. The close quarters combat or close quarters battle is a tactical situation that involves a physical fight with firearms involved at a quite shorter range. Similar to the ASMI submachine gun, we already discussed Indian Army's interest in quarter battle carbines, which is manufactured by UAE firm Caracal International LLC. To get more details on these CAR 816 guns, please refer to the link provided in the details section of this particular video. So that was a quick video or a latest update on Indian Army's plan to perform user trials of ASMI submachine guns, which has been designed and developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.